box today. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it. It's gonna be a quick video, and I'm not. This month for February. Okay, I figured it would be something with love or Valentine's for February. The colors anyway. I have this. It says woke. Okay, let's see. So we have in here, we have the Creme of Nature, and I really enjoyed this that honey shampoo from Creme of Nature that I got in a box. That I really like. That's one of my favorite shampoos. So this one is the Aloe and Black Castor Oil Healthy and Long Fortifying Hair Mask with conditioning aloe, Jamaican black castor oil, vitamin infused. There's no sulfate, silicones, petroleum, or mineral oil. So we have that one. That's the hair mask. We have the shampoo. We have this root recharge serum. That's interesting. A serum for the hair. Let me smell these products. It smells really good. I like the way they smell. They smell really, really good. And this is the strengthening protein treatment here. And the reconstructioning anti-breakage leave-in. Okay. All right, I'm excited. I like Creme of Nature products. I like Creme of Nature when I was texturized, when I was permed. I've been a fan of Creme of Nature for a while, so that's what's in this month's Curlbox. Cynthia, what are you doing? You want to say hi? Woke. Stay powerful, stay focused, stay woke. This month, we're helping you do all three in the hair department with Creme of Nature, Aloe, and Black Castor Oil collection. Our Woke Curlbox delivers an intense combination of trusted remedies, aloe and black castor oil to banish weakness. Let us enlighten you with a few styling gems.